Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the profile picture on Discord using the mobile application. So all you have to do is simply launch the Discord application on your device and sign into your account, and you'll get to this homepage. And from here, all you have to do is tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. So here it is. So tap on it. Then once you tap on it, you should get to the profile page. Now at this point, all you have to do is simply tap on edit profile. So tap on that. And then since we want to change the profile picture, all you have to do is tap on this pencil icon next to the profile picture. And then now you should see this menu appear. Now there are a couple of options you can choose. You can either choose to upload an image, or you can choose to get an animated avatar. Now for this one, you have to use Nitro. So if you have Discord Nitro, you can use that. But all I have to do, since I don't have Discord Nitro, I can simply tap on upload image and then choose the application that you'd like to use to find that particular image. So I'll just choose the photos, and then from the photos, find the photo that you'd like to use. So I'll just say this one, tap on it. And then from here, you should see the preview of the photo. So all you have to do is tap on the check mark at the top right corner. And then I should get to this edit photo page. Now here you can choose to increase to zoom in into the photo or zoom out, whichever you prefer. Also, you can choose to rotate the photo by tapping on this icon. So once you tap on it, you can choose to rotate using this scale, or you can simply use this 90 degrees, rotate it at 90 degrees and all that. Now so for this page, make the adjustment that you'd like to make. So I'll just leave it at that. And then once you're done, simply tap on the check mark at the top right corner. And then once you have done with everything, remember to tap on save to apply the changes. Now once done, you can now see that your profile picture has been successfully changed. So that's basically it on how to change your profile picture on Discord using the mobile application. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.